Hello, in this video I will present a very light and airy knit based on 1x1 elastic knit. Its application is mainly in delicate, romantic clothing items such as thin sweaters, scarves, and capes. They are usually made of fine mohair yarn with thicker than normal hooks. My pattern is knitted very loosely with Angora gold yarn on a hook size 6. The pattern consists of 2 stitches and 4 rows. We start on the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, we work with loops in pairs. Knit 2 loops together through the front. Repeat. Knit 2 loops together through the front. Knit 2 loops together through the front. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, purl 1 and make 1 yarn over loop. Purl 1 and make 1 yarn over loop. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. Row 3 is on the right side. After the edge loop, we work with loops in pairs. Purl the yarn over loop that we made on the previous row, and then knit 1 stitch. Purl 1, knit 1. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. Row 4 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, continue repeating purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. I am presenting you with a delicate knit that features a fine texture, which is an excellent option for light and breezy blouses, summer capes, and luxurious scarves. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.